Okay, ndewo no. Abụ m Kunet Ogochukwu Ohaya. Ụbọchị taa, ihe anyị nwere ime bụ ihe a na-akpọ agwara ọgwa. Agwara ọgwa wụ miscellaneous. Okay, so ihe anyị nwere ime n'Igbo taa wụ agwara ọgwa. A na-akpọ ya miscellaneous. Okwu dịsị iche iche. So anyị ga-ebukọ ya ọnụ taa. We're going to do miscellaneous today, like Igbo phrases, words, different words. Okay, so number one is called okenye. 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 Gịnị wụ okenye? Kedu onye ma ya? Okenye. Okenye means adult. Okenye is an adult. Adult or your senior, somebody who is, not bigger, but somebody who is senior to you. You mean like an adult, somebody that you're not of the same age. That's what it means. Somebody that is older than you is called okenye. Okenye can also mean like middle-aged person, somebody who is really much, much older than you. That's what you call okenye. Okenye means adult. An adult is okenye. Okenye. Can we say that? If you're in the class, I would like to hear you say okenye.
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 You can acquire yours.
Okenye.
Okenye. Okenye means an adult. Okay? All right. Okay, so I'm going to do, I'll write what it is. I'm coming. Just trying to make it easy for you to see it. Let's say we do it 20. Okay, so I think somebody is waiting for me. Okay, means adult. Okay, but before we do that, let me see. Okay, so I said today we have what we call agwara ọgwa, which means miscellaneous. Miscellaneous. Okay, so we have a na-akpọ ya agwara ọgwa. Agwara ọgwa. Okay, ọgwa, agwara ọgwa. Okay, so we need to punctuate the O. Somebody waiting. We need to punctuate the O. Ndị niile na-abịa ugbu a, unu ma na unu abịaghị n'oge. We have to try to be in class on time. You have to come to class on time. You have to come to class on time, please. Next time, if I wait for you people more than 10 minutes, I'm going to join you with the beginner class, because I can't just waste my time staying here waiting for you people. No, if you don't value it, I am going to join you guys with the beginner class, which is 12 noon, because this is my time and I want you to value it and not take it for granted. You have to come to class on time. You can't be coming to class 20 minutes, 24 minutes late. Okay, so please bear that in mind. Next week, it's not gonna be the same. You have to come to class on time. All right, so okenye means an adult. Okay, so it's adult. Come on. Okay, so okenye is adult. I want to make it bold. I want to make it all right, so now I need to agwara ọgwa. Agwara ọgwa means miscellaneous. Agwara ọgwa means miscellaneous. Okay, so that's what we're doing today. I want to make sure you're seeing me. So I try to maximize it. So let me insert it. The symbol, I hope you see what I'm doing. So agwarogwa means miscellaneous. All right, so, okay. Adult means okenye, somebody who is senior or much older than you. So okenye, you're senior. Okay, now we have all of us, most of us know this. Every one of you should know it. Ehihie. What is ehihie? Gịnị bụ ehihie? Atọkwala m o. Kedu ndị nọ na klaasị a? Gịnị bụ ehihie? Hey! Kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe bụ ehihie?
Afternoon.
Afternoon. Before you answer question, don't forget I said, onye ewu, kọwaa aha gị, kọwaa onye ewu, abụ m Uchenna, or abụ m Ezinne. Achọrọ m ka unu na-ekwu aha unu before na-ekwu.
Abụ m Uchenna.
Okay, Uchenna ịzatara ya daalụ. Ehihie bụ, ihe ị ga-ekwu ehihie bụ afternoon. Okay? All right. Ehihie is afternoon.
I got the question right though.
Ehihie means afternoon. Oh, come on, this. Okay. So it keeps fucking me up. I don't know why it does that. Ah, my finger this morning. Okay, now we have something. Say, quere. Okay, now Collins, somebody will be talking to you and I say quere. Quere means agree. Quere. Okay, maybe you look at that and you're like, oh, I don't know if this is really true. I don't know. Okay, when I say, okay, Collins, please. Collins, bịa ka anyị gaa ahịa. Ezinne, bịa ka anyị gaa ahịa means come, let's go to market. Come, let's go to market. Let's go to a mall. Let's go to a movie. You were like, okay, I have an assignment to do. I have something to do. And then I will say, okay. Oh, Ezinne ngwa kwere. You see, agree. So do not argue about that. Agree means quere. Quereziano. Okay, maybe we are talking about something and I'm like, Oluchi. Oh God, I don't know. And then Oluchi will say, okay, Auntie, quere means agree now. Please, just agree. That's what it is. Okay, so quere means agree. We're going to use these words to make sentences. So make sure you're paying attention to what I'm trying to analyze or maybe stress here. Agree. That's what it is. Agree. Now we have Ugbo elu. Ugbo elu. We mentioned this in the class. What is Ugbo elu? Who tell me what is Ugbo elu? We mentioned it in the class. What is Ugboala? Kedu onye ma ya? Ugbo elu. Ugbo elu. Kedu onye ma ihe? Ugbo elu means aeroplane. Airplane. They call it aeroplane. It's airplane, okay? Ugbo elu is airplane. So please know that. Ugbo elu is airplane. Ugbo elu means airplane. All right. So. All right, so we have number 5. What is Ugboala? Ugboala. Gịnị bụ ụgbọala?
Car.
What? A
humble chukwude. A humble chukwude.
Good.
Car.
Okay.
Car.
Car. A car is Ugbo ala. Good job, Chukwude. Daalụ. Imeela. Imeela nke ọma means good job. Imeela nke ọma. Imeela nke ọma means good job. Okay, so Ugbo ala. No, I need to punctuate it. Ugbo ala. Gịnị bụ ụgbọ mmiri? You're supposed to know from what we are doing now. What is ụgbọ mmiri? Gịnị bụ ụgbọ mmiri? Ụgbọ mmiri means ship. We're supposed to know this. Ụgbọ mmiri, you're supposed to know that ụgbọ is something that drives. So when we put elu, it means airplane. We say ụgbọala, cars go on the ground. Okay? Then mmiri, you're supposed to know it's like an ocean, ship. So ụgbọ mmiri means like ship. Okay, car. Now let's go. So we said ụgbọ mmiri. Let's put that one. That way you know it now. You won't say you don't know what it is. So ụgbọ mmiri. Now we add mmiri. Ụgbọ mmiri is ship. Anything that goes through the water is called ship. Ụgbọ mmiri. Okay, now we have what else do I have here? No. Okay, let's say Gburu-gburu. Gburu-gburu. I want everybody to repeat that. Gburu-gburu, everybody.
Gburu-gburu.
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 Means around. No. I never said duru-duru. I said gburu-gburu. Chukwude, kwuo gburu-gburu. Chukwude n'ebe ahụ. Kelechi nwere ike isi gburu-gburu. Kelechi achọrọ nke ikwuo gburu-gburu. Kelechi anụmanụ ihe ị na-ekwu kwuo gburu-gburu. Is Kelechi in the Kelechi, put your speaker on. I can't hear you. I need to hear you. Unmute your Kelechi. I need to hear you. You are muted. So
he's talking.
Kelechi need to talk because I can't hear him. Kelechi, you need to talk. You are muted. Chukwude, you are muted now. Go ahead.
Does this mean?
I want you to say the word. I want you to say gburu-gburu. It means around. But I want you to say the word.
Gburu-gburu.
Gburu-gburu.
Gburu.
Say it again. Gburu-gburu. Break it in syllables.
Gburu-gburu.
Yes. Gburu-gburu. That's how you pronounce it. It means around. Something that is around you. So I will say, Chukwude, laya na gburu-gburu. Laya gburu-gburu. It means to look around you. You will say, okay, where is it? I cannot find it. Kedu ebe ọ nọ? Ahụghị m ya. Kedu ebe ọ nọ means where is it? Ahụghị m ya pụtara I didn't see it. Ahụghị m ya means I didn't see it. So m sị gị, okay, lee anya, look. Na gburu-gburu. Look around you. Lee anya gburu-gburu gị means look around you. Lee anya na gburu-gburu gị. Look around you. Gburu-gburu. You have to learn to pronounce those words, not just hearing them or knowing what they mean. but you need to learn to pronounce them as well. So, Gburu-gburu. Okay, anyị ga-ebido n'isi kịta. We're going to start from the beginning. I'm going to pronounce the words in Igbo. And when I call your name, I want you to pronounce the word too. All of them. So we're gonna get till 10. Once we get to number 10, then I will start all over and start pronouncing them. When I'm done, I'll call your name and then you pronounce them. That's what we're going to do. I want to make sure you know how to pronounce the words. Okay. Now let's do another one. Azo. Azo. Remember we did this last time and we say how to pronounce them. We need to put the tone marks to help you when you say azo. So let's put a tone mark on A. Azo. And then it's supposed to have something. Azo. 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 Okay. Then when you say azo, 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 now we need to have azo. So I hope you're seeing the tone mark that I'm doing. Azo. It's supposed to be punctuated. I don't know why I didn't punctuate it. Azo. 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 It goes down, okay? So azo, they're supposed to be dots. I don't know why did it dot it. Let me see. Azo, it's not dotting it. That's a problem here. It's supposed to have a dot underneath it. For some reason it's not. So it's supposed to have dots underneath the U. So but when I put it, it's like the punctuation, for some reason, it's not staying there. I don't know why it's doing that anyway. My symbols are not working right. So I'm trying to see if I can get the symbols punctuated very well. But just know, I just put it, let me just put it, supposed to be azo, azo. But the tone mark, as soon as I put the tone mark, it's like it eliminates it. It's not supposed to do that, but let me just tell you, put the punctuated the right way. That way, don't make mistakes. So, azo, azo. So, azo means back. Azo means fish. Okay, so don't forget. Azo means back. Azo, fish. So don't forget. And see how we punctuated it. Azo, back. Azo, fish. Okay. All right. Azo means back. Ah, come on. Then azo means fish. Ah, come on, give me a break. Okay. Fish. Okay, so let's do number 10. Onya. Okay. Onya. Onya. Like you're putting it's a bird. Okay, but let's leave that one. Let's say une. Une. Some people call it unere. Une. Une. Miss. Okay. Ah, come on. Une. Yes. Une is plantain or banana. All of them are called une racha. That's une racha means banana. So let's say une. And so when you come to plantain, we have une, which is plantain. Une racha means banana. Okay. So plantain. Plantain is une. And then we have une nracha. Une nracha. Nracha. The one that you eat like that. That's why it's called nracha. Nracha is, I said, racha. Racha means lick it. Rachaya, lick it. Rachaya, racha. So nracha is something that you eat. That's why we call it une nracha. Une nracha. So don't forget. I don't know why this is doing this. Une nracha. Okay. Une nracha means banana. Banana. So pay attention. Une nracha. Une plantain. Une nracha means banana. Nracha means licking something. Nracha. Rachaya. Let me add that one now. That way you know what it is. Rachaya. Rasha. Rachaya means lick it. Rachaya means lick it. Lick it. So when I say, okay, go ahead, Rachaya, Racha. Okay, I said I will stop at number 10. You know. Now let's stop because I want you to pronounce it. Okay. We're gonna still stop at number 10. Okay. Now let me have somebody do this. Kelechi. I'm going to pronounce all the words. When I finish, you'll be the one to do it. Kelechi or higher. Okay. Okenye. Adult. Ehihie. Afternoon. Kwere. Kwere. Agree. Agree. Ụgbọ elu. Airplane. Ụgbọ ala. Car. Ụgbọ mmiri. Ship. Gburugburu. Gburu-gburu. Around. Azụ. Azụ. Back. Azụ. Fish. Une. Plantain. Une nracha. Banana. So we stop there. Kelechi ngwa. You want me to show you what it is? Okay, go on. It's on now. You can see the screen. Kelechi, are you there?
I have to use Brian's computer.
Okay. Who are again? Give it up.
Afambo. Kelechi.
Ngwa. Bido number 1, row number 10. Bido na nke otu, row na nke iri. Otu, row na nke iri means bido number 1, row na number 10. Start from 1 to 10.
Okenye. Ehihie.
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 Kelechi. Ehihie.
Ehihie.
Okay, ngwagawa.
Kwere.
Ụgbọ
elu.
Ụgbọ elu.
Ụgbọ elu. Ụgbọ ala.
Good.
Ụgbọ mmiri.
Ụgbọ, open your mouth. Mepe ọnụ gị. Ụgbọ mmiri.
Ụgbọ mmiri.
Gburu-gburu.
Gburu-gburu.
Again, boo, not boo. The B is not supposed to come out. Gburu-gburu. Gburu-gburu.
Gburu-gburu.
Okay.
Azụ.
No. Azụ.
Azụ.
Uh-huh.
Azụ.
Good. Number 10.
Une.
Again.
Une.
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 Number 11. Number 11, Kelechi. Kelechi. I said number 11, Kelechi.
Une. Nrachara.
That N, I want you to pronounce that N very well. Une. Nracha.
Une. Nracha.
Good. Okay. Ezinne. Ezinne ngwakwu aha gị gị bido na nke mbụ ruo na nke 11. Ezinne ọ nọ ya? Ezinne ọ nọ ya? I thought, Ezinne, can you hear me?
Yes.
What is yes in Igbo? Yes means Ezinne ngwa bido na nke mbụ. Ezinne, you're wasting our time. Go on. You don't get it, I correct you. We have to keep going because everybody will get their turn to say it.
What am I doing?
Oh, were you in the class?
Yes.
No, answer me in Igbo. Ezinne, you were here. If you've been in the class, you're supposed to know what we're doing. Unless if you're in the classroom and you're doing something else. If you come to class, you have to pay attention. What we are doing, I need you to pronounce the Igbo words from 1 to 11. That's what we've been doing. Okay?
Okay.
Number 1.
Okenye.
Okenye.
Ihe.
No, Ezinne, kwugharịa ihe m kwuru. Okenye.
Okenye. Ehihie.
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 Nke atọ.
Wary.
No. How do you pronounce K and W? How do you say K and W?
Query.
Quere.
Query.
Quere.
Query.
Okay, you have to open your mouth. I want you to repeat number 3. Quere.
Query.
Okay, number 4.
Ugbo. Ulu.
Remember that O has a point underneath it. Ugbo. Elu.
Ugbo elu.
5.
Ugbo. Ala.
Ugbo ala.
Ugbo ala. Ugbo mmiri. Gburu-gburu.
No, Gburu-gburu.
Gburu-gburu.
Okay.
Azụ.
Good. Number 9.
Azụ.
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 Okay. Number 10.
Une.
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 No. Une.
Une.
Okay. Number 11.
Une. Nracha.
That N, I want you to close your mouth to pronounce the N with your inner throat, okay? Inner voice. Une. Nracha. You see, you have to close your mouth to say une. Nracha.
Nracha.
Okay, pronounce 2 of them.
Nracha.
Again.
Une. Nracha.
Good. Okay, Chukwuode, your turn. Good job, Ezinne. Chukwuode, you know ya? Ngwa.
Okenye.
Okenye.
Ehihie.
No, Chukwudi. Okenye.
Okenye. Ehihie.
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 Good.
Kuwere.
No, see, pronounce K and W together. Quere.
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 No, quere.
Quere.
No, Chukwudi, pay attention. Quere.
Quere.
Good. Now pronounce it yourself. Quere.
Quere.
Good. Okay. Number 4.
Ugbo. Elu.
Again.
Ugbo elu.
Good. Much better.
Ugbo ala.
Good.
Ugbo mmiri.
Ugbo mmiri. Ugbo mmiri.
Ugbo mmiri.
Good.
Gburu-gburu.
Wonderful. Acceptable. Okay. Number 8.
Ezu.
No, remember A is A, not A. In Igbo.
Azu.
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 No, you're pronouncing number 9. Number 9 is Azu, but number 8 is Azu. It's supposed to go up. Don't go down. Azu.
Azu.
Yes. Okay, number 9.
Azu.
Good. 10.
Une.
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 Good. 11.
Une racha.
Une racha. Ah, wonderful. Ikenna. Your turn. Ikenna. Ebula anyị oge. Ebula oge means don't waste us time. Ebula oge. Ikenna. Ikenna. Ngwa. Ngwa bido. Bido na nke mbụ, which is number 1.
Okenye. Ihehe.
Ikenna. Ehihie.
Ihe.
No.
Ihihe.
No. Not E. Ehihie.
Ehihe. Kwere.
No, pronounce KW together.
Kwere.
Quere.
Kwere. Kwere.
Keep going. I want to get everybody.
Igbo elu.
Ụgbọ elu.
Ụgbọ elu.
Keep going.
Ụgbọ agha.
Ụgbọ ala.
Ụgbọ agha. Ụgbọ mmiri.
Ụgbọ mmiri. Good. Say ụgbọ mmiri. Again.
Ụgbọ mmiri.
Okay.
Gburu-gburu.
Onye ọzọ.
Gburu-gburu.
Yes.
Azụ.
No, you are saying number 9. Number 8.
Azụ.
Azụ. Good.
Azụ.
No, number 9. Say number 9. You said number 8.
Azụ.
Good. Go on.
Azụ.
Yes, you got it. Keep going.
Une.
Say it.
Une.
Now, number 11.
Une. Nracha.
Good job. Okay, Uchenna. Uchenna. Bido na nke mbụ. Uchenna na-eme ọsịsọ.
Okenye. Ehihie. Kwere.
Yes.
Ugbo elu. Ugbo ala.
Ụgbọ ala.
Ugbo ala.
Ụgbọ ala.
Ugbo ala. Ugbo mmiri.
Ụgbọ mmiri.
Ugbo mmiri.
No, ụgbọ.
Ugbo
mmiri.
mmiri.
Ngwa kpọọ ya, kpọkọta ya ọnụ. Call it together, pronounce it together. Ụgbọ mmiri.
Ugbo mmiri.
Okay.
Gburugburu.
Wonderful.
Azụ.
Yes.
Azụ.
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 Okay.
Une.
Yeah.
Une racha.
Yahoo! Got it. Okay, wonderful. Let me see. Who else is here? Do we have let me see who we have here. Collins is Osita N. I see other names, but this is not scrolling down.
Not sure.
Michael, I see Michael. That's Uche. Ngwa Uche. 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 Uche, you have to unmute yourself. I need to hear you.
He's not here. He's unavailable right now. He's studying.
Then why did he call into the class? I don't allow that.
Oh,
If
right
you
now,
know you are doing something, you don't call into the class if you are not going to.
But he's not in the class.
Who is Michael?
I'm here.
Who is Michael?
I'm here.
Who? I need your Igbo name.
Osita.
Osita. Okay, I thought that's Uche. Okay, Osita ngwa. Bido na nke mbụ ruo na nke iri na otu.
Okay, so we're doing what?
Bido. Okwe nọ na class. Okwe nọrọ ihe anyị na-ekwu. Okay, I need you to pronounce the Igbo words not there. Okay, pronounce the Igbo words there. From
Okay.
number 1 to 11.
All right.
Okay, just try your best. Keep going. I need to get to everybody now.
Okenye.
Okenye.
Okenye. Ehihie.
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 Okay.
Kwere.
Kwere. We say Osita, I want you to pronounce it loud.
Okay.
Kwere.
Kwere. Ugbo ala. Ugbo ilu.
Ụgbọ elu. I want to be strong. Let it be strong.
Ugbo elu. Ugbo ala. Ugbo mmiri.
Wonderful. Gburu-gburu. Yeah, I put it in syllabus for you, but it's supposed to be together. Gburu-gburu.
Gburu-gburu. Azụ.
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 Good.
Azụ.
Azụ.
And
Azụ.
azụ.
Okay.
Une.
Une.
Une. Une rata.
That N, I need the N to stand out. Une, nracha.
Une nracha.
Good. So anytime N, every letter that starts a word, please try to pronounce it. A letter that starts a word has to come out in Igbo language. So make sure une, every letter that starts a word. It doesn't matter whether it's maybe a hyphen or not. You have to pronounce it. Une, nracha. Good job. You guys did very well. Now, last time, that was 2 weeks ago, I told every one of you, make sure you record your song. I will need you all to record it like Collins, you and your siblings. You can dress in African attire and then sing this song together. Mommy or daddy is going to video it and send to me. But I need the word to come out very well, okay? Ndị nne na nna anyị na-arịọ unu sụba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ, ikwu na ibe anyị na-arịọ unu sụba n'asụsụ Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ, jisie n'ike sụba Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ, jisie n'ike sụba Igbo ka asụsụ Igbo anyị ghara ịnwụ. So I need you to record it, perfect just singing it. I don't want you to just butcher the word. Learn the word very, very well, pronounce it well, and then get together and record it and send to me by 15th of August. By 15th of August. Okay? Please, please, please. I need you to do that. Every one of you in your family, do it together. But you guys, not your parents, they're going to video it and send to me. So do we have any question today? What we did today is called miscellaneous. Agwarogwa. It's like some words in random. Any question? Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Any question?
No, no questions.
Gịnị wu no? What's no?
I have a question.
Wait, let me, I think Osita, you're the one that answered. What is no in Igbo?
Mba.
No.
Mba means no. Okay, Uchenna, kedu ihe ị nwere ịjụ?
Why do you have to pronounce Azu different?
Because the tone, Igbo goes by the tone, okay? The tone, if you say, because they have the same spelling, but they don't have the same tone, they don't have the same sound, because they are different. In English, you have different way of pronouncing it. The back starts with B, the fish starts with F. But in Igbo, we have the same spelling for both of them. Back means azo. The only way you can differentiate it is through sound, the tone. Then fish means azo, azo. The other one is azo. If you say azo, azo, or azo, azo, you didn't differentiate it. There's no way for me to know what you're saying. But you can tell through the, if you do not put the tone mark or anything. So the only way you can tell through the content what you are writing. You cannot say, oh, please remove the back out of the soup. You can say, please take the fish off the soup. Remove it off the soup. Who took the fish? Who took the fish? You can't say who took the back. No. Who took the fish? Kadonye were azo. Who took this fish? Maybe you're eating in your soup, then there are supposed to be fish there, and all of a sudden somebody took it. Say, who took the fish? Okay. Kadonye were azo. Now you can say, okay, please scratch my back. Come on, nazo. Scratch my back. Come on, nazo. You can say scratch as, you can say scratch fish. Okay, you can say that, but when you're trying to tell somebody to please to scratch your back itches. You can't say scratch as, scratch my as. No, you can't say that. Come on, as. You can't say that. You can't say scratch my fish. You can say scratch my fish, but if you're trying to say scratch my back and you say fish, that is wrong. That's why in Igbo, you have to make sure you say it the way it's supposed to sound. The sound, the tone is what is going to tell you what you're trying to say. Okay, so you got it, Brian? Uchenna, ghọtara ihe m kwuru? Uchenna, ị nụrụ ihe m kwuru? Uchenna, ọ nọ ebe ahụ? So I need you to unmute yourself and say that. Okay, onwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Okay, ngwanụ, tata ihe anyị nwere ime agwụla. Achọrọ m ka unu nwee ike ịla. Gaanụ, gaa mụọ okwu ndị a. So go over these words. If you forget how to say it, click on the lesson again, and then you see the pronunciations. Okenye, adult. Ehihie, afternoon. Kwere, agree. Ụgbọ elu, airplane. Ụgbọ ala, car. Ụgbọ mmiri, ship. Gburugburu, around. Azụ, back. Azụ, fish. Une, plantain. Une nracha, banana. Okay, ngwa ka ọ dị n'ụbọchị ọzọ ka emesịa no. And tomorrow, you guys know we have get together. Collins, you guys know that? Osita, you guys listening to me? You know we have get together tomorrow.
No.
Yes, I sent it. I sent the message to everybody. So go to the forum. I will forward it to you guys again. We have somebody's in the class. We have get together tomorrow, so don't forget, all right? Okay, ka emesịa no, aga m ahụ unu n'izu ọzọ.
I got a
This
question.
is next week.
You mean I can't?
Ndewo no. Nobody is saying anything. Ndewo no, ka emesịa no.
Ndewo no.
Okay, ndewo. All right, that's it.